Hey everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to transfer files using Chrome Remote Desktop. Let's get into it. First, open the side menu. The first step is to find the hidden control panel on the side of your screen while you are connected to your other computer. Look for the three dots icon on the right side of your window and click it to open the menu. Tap it so the menu slides out and shows you all the extra tools. This side menu holds the buttons you need to send or receive your files. Opening it is the only way to find the file moving tools. Next, find the file transfer section. You need to look through the menu to find the part that handles moving data between your devices. Scroll down the list of options until you see the section for moving files for your task. Look for two main buttons, one that says Upload File and one that says Download File. These two buttons are the main doors for your data. Upload sends a file to the computer, and Download brings a file back to the device you are holding. Next, send a file to the other computer. Now you can pick a file from your own device and send it over to the computer you are controlling from far away. Click the Upload File button and pick the document or photo from your folder. Once the file finishes sending, look on the desktop of the other computer to find it. And that's it. I hope this helped you out and I see you in the next one.